Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel subscription on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and at the top left corner you'll be able to see your profile icon. So once you click on that, you can see your username at top. Once you hover over there, you can see account and billing option at the fourth, so you need to click on that option, and now you'll be redirected to the another page where you can see I haven't taken any kind of subscription for now, but the steps I'm gonna say will be the same. So now right after that you'll be able to see the cancel trial option at the right side of this section. So once you click on that section, you need to complete few more formalities, and it will ask you for the reason why you want to cancel the subscription. And now once you give the reason, you'll be able to cancel the subscription successfully. So basically this is how you can cancel subscription on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.